The eSign CFR Part 11 module can help organisations in the healthcare and life sciences industry to maintain compliance with FDA 21 CFR Part 11 regulations. In this video, we will show you how to send documents for signature with a CFR account. To get started, log in to your eSign account. You will see the FDA CFR logo, which indicates that you are using a CFR account. You can also see this in your account settings, which provides more information on the regulation requirements. Click Get Started on your home page, followed by Add Document. The process for sending an envelope requires adding a document, recipient information and authentication method, email content, and recipient fields. Upload your document from the options shown. Then, you are required to add the name and email address of the recipient. FDA regulations state that recipients of a CFR Part 11 document must authenticate their identity to access the envelope to sign. This can be done by clicking Envelope Security and selecting the preferred method of authentication. Choose from SMS PIN, passcode, or two-step email verification. The authentication method will depend on the FDA regulations that you are required to comply with. Once you have entered the required information and email content, click Continue. Here you can view your document and place the required fields for each recipient that is required to sign. Per FDA regulations, at least one signature or initial field must be placed on the document for each recipient who needs to sign. Regulations also state that each signature or initials must include the recipient's printed name, reason for signing, and a date and time stamp. Once the fields have been placed, click Continue. When the envelope has been sent, the recipient is prompted to authenticate their identity using the method you selected before accessing the envelope. Once all the recipients have viewed and signed the document, view the certificate of completion in the completed section of your eSign account.